Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix USB drive not working in car stereo flash drive, pendrive errors in music system. First backup all music files. Search with FAT32 format GUI. Click Windows GUI version of FAT32 format under Rich Crop Consultats. Click to install app. Select USB drive letter. Click Start. Restore all music files to pendrive. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.